Hello viewers, myself is Dr. Vadiraj B. Tangu, Assistant Professor, Sri Jagadguru Tontadarya Government First Way College, Mundargi. In this video's lecture series, I am talking few words about the thermoelectricity. Among this series, this is the first in series of thermoelectricity 1. This is for BSc program, physics subject, and it is for fourth semester of Karnataka University, Dharwad. Learning objectives of this session is to know the concept of thermoelectricity, to understand the concept of Seebeck effect, experimental facts of Seebeck effect, necessity of different temperatures, necessity of different metals, thermoelectric metal series, explanation of Seebeck effect. Session outcomes are perfect knowledge about thermoelectricity, clarity of Seebeck effect, experimental thinking of Seebeck effect, knowledge of thermometallic series, clear-cut concept about variation of temperature, explanation of Seebeck effect. Prerequisites for this discussion is concept about basic terminologies of thermodynamics, concept of heat and temperature, basic laws of thermodynamics, and basics of current electricity. And total prescribed syllabus for Karnataka University Dharwad is, comes under Unit 4 Thermoelectricity. It consists of Seebeck effect and its explanation, variation of EMF with temperature, neutral temperature and temperature of inversion, thermoelectric series, laws of thermoelectric effect, Peltier effect, explanation, Peltier coefficient and thermodynamics of Peltier effect, Thomson coefficient and its explanation, Thomson coefficient and derivation of the relations like phi is equal to T into d upon dt and sigma A minus sigma B is equal to T into d square E upon dt square, thermoelectric, that is state diagrams and its applications in the field of total EMF, Peltier EMF, Thomson EMF, neutral temperature and temperature of inversion. This is whole prescribed syllabus for Karnataka University Dharwad for the BSc 4th semester. Contents of my today's discussion is Seebeck effect, experimental facts of Seebeck effect, thermometallic series and explanation of Seebeck effect. Thermoelectric phenomena. Electroconductive materials exhibits three types of thermoelectric phenomena. These are Seebeck effect, Peltier effect and Thomson effect. Thermoelectricity is a branch of physics. It deals with the study of electricity due to heat through the metals is called thermoelectric phenomena. Among that, the first effect is Seebeck effect. So let us consider two beakers. One beaker is cold end, that is, it consists of ice. Another is water. It is continuously heating from room temperature to up to its boiling point in the steps of 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55 in this type. And take two wires, one is of copper, another one is of iron. These two wires are junctioned in the two beakers and further they have been connected to the galvanometer. That galvanometer, it detects the electric current. Keep the two junctions of the metals, that is iron copper wire at the hot end. Similarly, iron copper wire at the hot end, and both the coppers are connected to galvanometer. Now increase the temperature in the hot end and keep the cold end, that is ice, at constant temperature. Heat step by step hot end and see the deflections in the galvanometer. Galvanometer showing increase in deflection. So showing the increasing in deflection means there is generation of EMF, or there is generation of electricity. It is flowing in a complete circuit. This phenomenon is called Seebeck effect. That is, whenever two dissimilar metals, that is iron and copper, are kept at two different temperatures, that is one end is cold, other end is hot, it produces the EMF, that is shows the deflection in the galvanometer, and this phenomenon is called Seebeck effect. In the Seebeck effect, if both the temperatures in cold and hot end, both the temperatures remain same, then there is no generation of electricity, that is there is no deflection in the galvanometer. If you take the two wires are of same kinds, copper copper or iron iron, then again there is no generation of electricity. It means there must be a temperature difference, that is a gradient, and there must be a metals must be at two different, that is dissimilar metals. So larger is the temperature gradient and larger is the EMF is producing in the deflection, and this phenomenon is called Seebeck effect. Repeatedly, Seebeck effect is whenever two dissimilar metals are kept at two different temperatures in order to produce the EMF. This phenomenon is called Seebeck effect. So definition of Seebeck effect is when two dissimilar metals are kept at two different temperatures in order to produce the EMF, that is electromotive force, is called Seebeck effect. Thermocouple. Two dissimilar arrangement of metals is called thermocouple. Thermo EMF. EMF produced at the time of dissimilar metals are kept at different temperature setup. Thermoelectricity. Electricity produced due to thermocouple is called thermoelectricity. Next is thermoelectric metals. In the thermocouple, we are taking two dissimilar metals. These two dissimilar metals can be explained with the thermoelectric metal series. Now I am reading the thermoelectric metal series one by one. Bismuth, Bi, Ni, nickel, Pd, palladium, Pt, platinum, Cu, copper, Mn, manganese, Hg, mercury. These metals are called thermoelectrically negative metals. And Sn and Sn tin, Au gold, Ag silver, Zn zinc, Cd cadmium, Fe iron, Sb antimony. These metals are called thermoelectrically positive metals, and Pb in the metal is called thermoelectrically neutral metal. And the choice of the two metals must be one from the thermoelectrically negative and the other is from the thermoelectrically positive, or one from negative with the Pb, or one from thermoelectrically positive with the Pb. In this way we should be choose the metal. If we want to get the larger the EMF, then we should choose the metal larger gap between the two metals in the metallic series. That is, BiSb gives a huge thermoelectrically current, while HgSn gives lesser. In this way, if we need a larger EMF, the gap in the thermoelectric metal series must be a large. This is called thermometallic series. Explanation of Seebeck effect. The free electrons inside a material can be considered to constitute an electron gas. The electron density is different in different metals. When two such different metals are different temperatures, electrons starts to move from higher potential to lower potential end in a temperature gradient called contact potential difference. When two junctions are at the same temperature, then there is no current flows. Current flows only when there is temperature gradient is established. This is all explanation of Seebeck effect. Thank you one and all for your patience in seeing my video. Thank you one and all.